With sticks of joy it all begins. 1,000 smiles, a million wins. Trees of gold or purple lakes? A stroke of color is all it takes. A tool for art so full of glee makes magic as far as the eye can see. So meet the limitless crayon. Let's sing the tale of how it's born. A colorful factory bustling with sound, where every artist's friend is found. With vibrant pigments oh so fine, a waxy dance till they combine. They rest and then go down the floor, ready to be melted once more. Rows and rows of bats so keen, waiting for their next machine. Remelted and poured down a mold, eager for new stories to be told. Right in time with a roll of drum, tall and proud, out they come. Now every stick is wrapped up tight, set to make your day so bright. And all the packs are boxed and sealed, till a glorious day they are revealed. Then in the end, away they go, to color draw and let imagination flow.